If you want to monetize on RedNote as creator, this video matters. As its recent Creator Summit, one of the biggest updates was a new video revenue sharing plan, which sounds exactly like a YouTube partner program model. Creators make valuable content, the platform plays ads around that content, and creators share in revenue. In case you're new to RedNote, creators are already making money on RedNote in 3 different ways. The first one is brand sponsorship. For example, I have over 70,000 followers on RedNote, and one sponsored post on my account can be around $2,000. The second is selling your own product. I sell digital product on RedNote myself, and I also help international creators build that same path for the Chinese market. The third is affiliate marketing, because RedNote users do not just watch content, they search, compare, ask for links, and buy. So it feels natural for creators to promote the product from the affiliate marketplace and earn the commission. Yeah, and the fourth one is revenue sharing, which is like YouTube. RedNote is literally building a career lender, aka a complete monetization path for creators. And if you just get started, you still have a big chance, because RedNote algorithm rewards content quality, not just follower numbers. That means when you post for the first time on a brand new account, your content can still get put in front of people just like content from much bigger creators. So it doesn't matter your nationality, your background, the language you speak. It's all about whether your content is worth showing to more people. And if you have been thinking about create content on RedNote, I believe this is the best time to start. And yeah, I'm Zoe. Follow me for more tips on how creator can monetize on RedNote from a real creator.